In this video, you will learn how to create this endless screw in the Autodesk Fusion. This video is sponsored by Autodesk, and you will learn how to use the Extrude, Chamfer, Fillet, Coil, Combine, Rotate features, Press, Pull. So open your Autodesk Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this endless screw, we will select the right plane and make a circle with 30 millimeters of diameter and extrude this 100 millimeters. Okay, so open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select the circle, make a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter, press OK, finish the sketch, go to extrude, the distance here minus 100 millimeters, and press OK. We made this. Okay, now we'll make this chamfer here and this edge here and in this edge here. The chamfer here is 2 millimeters by 45 degrees, so it is an equal distance. So go to modify, select the chamfer, the type here equal distance, select this edge and this edge, and the distance here 2 millimeters, press OK. We made this. Now we need to make this coil here. So to create this, the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a new plane, an offset plane from this face here to the middle of this edge. We know that this line here has 4 millimeters. Okay, so the middle here, it will be 2 millimeters here. Okay, 6 plus 2 millimeters, 8 millimeters. So let's create this offset. Go to construct, select offset plane, select this face here, the direction here minus 8 millimeters, press OK. We made this. Okay, now let's create the coil. We'll create this coil here. Okay, this thread, sorry. So to create this, we'll select the coil features. So go to create, select the coil, select this new plane here. Let me rotate this, make a circle here. Okay, we have this circle here. So here in type, select the revolution and age. The diameter here, let's see the diameter. The diameter will be 30 millimeters. Okay, the internal diameter. So the diameter here 30 millimeters. The revolution, the numbers of revolution. The number of revolution, we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here is a half and here in the other side is a half, so it's 6 revolution. Number 6. The age, the distance. The distance here, we have this distance here from this edge to this edge, but the coil features consider the center here, the center of this profile. Okay, the center of this profile from the center of this profile, and the center here will last 2 millimeters for this side and 2 millimeters for this side. So the distance here is 74.515 minus 4 millimeters. Okay, 70.15 millimeters. So go to 8 here, 70.15 millimeters, add the minus here, change the direction. Okay, and the section here is square. The section position, select the outside to make it the extrusion here, the outside of the diameter. Okay, and the section size, here, we will make a square. We'll make a square 4 by 4 millimeters. Okay, we know that the distance here is 5 millimeters, but first we'll make a square 4 millimeters, then we'll make a extrusion of this face here 1 millimeters to reach 5 millimeters. Okay, so let's make this, the section size 4 millimeters. The operation here, we'll select new body and press OK. Look at this, we have 2 bodies here. Okay, now to make this like this sketch here, like this this photo will rotate the body too. Okay, so go to modify, select the move and copy, the move object, select the body, the object, select the body too, the move type, select the rotate, and the axis, select this edge here. Rotate this 90 degrees, okay? Minus 90 degrees, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now we needed to combine these two bodies, okay? So go to modify, select combine here, or select combine here. The target body, select the body 1, and the tool body, select the body 2, and press OK. We have only one body here, okay? Now we need to extrude this face 1 millimeters, okay? Because we made a square 4 by 4 millimeters for this 3D with the coil features, but we needed to reach 5 millimeters. So we need to extrude 1 millimeter. So go to modify, select the press pull, and select this face here, and select the 1 millimeters of distance, and press OK. Let's see here. Inspect. We have 4 millimeters here in this edge, okay, and in this edge here we have 5 millimeters, okay. Now here we need to add this fillet, a fillet with 3 millimeters in each side, okay. So let's do this. Go to modify, select the fillet, select this edge here, and this edge here, the fillet here is 3 millimeters, and press OK. We made this, okay. Now here we finish this exercise, but I will check this dimension from this point here to this point here, 74.15 millimeters, okay. So go to inspect, select this edge here and this edge here, 74.15 millimeters, okay, like the sketch. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.